Welcome back. Now there's one final aspect of integrations that needs to be discussed, and we'll find that inside of our settings. What we're going to do is go to our account settings. Now in many cases, you may be asked to provide an API key in order to integrate with a cloud-based system. In order to do that, you're going to need to find your API key. You'll need to come inside of your account settings. You'll need to go to the extras area, and you'll then need to go to your API keys. You'll need to come down to the page, and then you'll need to click Create a Key. Now, we're not going to make the key visible, but you would copy that key and use it then inside of your application. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all of the applications that are authorized to use your Mailchimp account or that you connected to your API key. So we have now walked through the entire basic menu of Mailchimp. And we have also created an audience, we've sent a broadcast message, and we've set up an automated campaign. You are now ready to begin using Mailchimp as your email list manager. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.